Winter is coming very soon, so we are going to go and do Frostbite special effects makeup. So let's go and bundle up and get started. So I was actually sent a huge box of makeup from Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and this is the Game of Thrones collaboration that they went and did. Here are the palettes that I'm using. The first palette that I'm using is the Three-Eyed Raven palette. This one has a lot of the darker colors that I'm using. This one is the Winter is Coming palette. I'm using a lot of the blues from this. And then this one is the Mother of Dragons palette, which I'm using the reds from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first palette, which is the Mother of Dragons palette, and I'm going to take this beauty blender and go around my nose with red, along with also cheeks, chin, and forehead. Keep in mind, this type of makeup, you would probably want to go and pull up some sort of reference to go and see where you would really have these red marks happen from the cold. Normally, you're going to have different raised areas on your face get red and also start to get frostbite. After that is done, go and follow up on your lips with some blue cosmetic to go and make them look like they're, of course, cold. Go and take some liquid latex, put it on your lips, and let it dry. If you can't use liquid latex, you can always use just some salt water and dry out your lips like that. Now take black cosmetic and put it onto your nose, along with also your cheek areas, and start to go and really blend this. These areas would be the areas that would be most affected if you were outside in the cold, and what you want to do after you put down each and every one of these is mix a small amount of red into the outer portion to still make it look like it is really angry, aggressive. Maybe add one or two onto your forehead. Just keep in mind again where the areas would be most affected. Now I'm going back with my Mehron palette just to go and make it look a little bit darker in the center. This is a water activated palette and it really does honestly look great with the powdered cosmetic, and I'm blending it in there in the center and using my finger to kind of just go and get everything blended at the edges. After that, I'm filling in some of the cracks where my lips are to make them look like they are really chapped. And then I'm going back around all of the different areas where the frostbite would have taken effect with liquid latex. This is going to go and build up an edge and make it look like there's a bit more depth to all of these. Now imagine if you were out in the cold, of course your nose would be running, so I'm using some Vaseline or petroleum jelly, putting it into where my nostril area is, putting a small amount into my eyebrows as well, and then taking some setting powder and going back to make it look like there's some snow that is on my eyebrows. Make sure to also put some on your nose and everywhere else. Then I'm bundling up in a very fluffy jacket, and my makeup looks like this. Winter is coming, stay warm, and thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care and have a great one.